Alright guys, today's goal, the learner will understand how to solve systems of equations. This should be review. The method of substitution, graph, the method of elimination and applications. Many applications in business and science can be modeled by using a system of equations. So let's take a look at the first one here. Solve the system using substitution. What that means is you have to substitute something in for y or x. So I look at this first equation here, and I'm going to solve it for y. So I would get y equals 2x minus 10. Take that, substitute it in for that y. 6x plus 4 times 2x times the quantity, 2x minus 10 equals 1. So you get 6x plus 8x minus 40 equals 1. So 14x equals 41. So x equals 41 over 14. And what you do is you plug that in up here. Y equals 2 times 41 over 14 minus 10. Calculate that. You get y equals negative 29 over 7. So the solution to the system is that. So let's take a look at another example. Solving the system algebraically. So that's basically substitution again. So what I would do, you have y equals 8x right here. Plug that in. You get 8x equals x squared plus 6x. Subtract the 8x. Factor. So you get x equals 0 or x equals 2. Plug those in. Y equals 8 times 0. Y equals 8 times 2. Y equals 0. Y equals 16. So you have 2 points. You have the point 0, 0 as a solution, and you have the point 2, 16. Okay, so let's look at another one. Solve the system using the elimination method. What that means is you have to add or subtract to get them together. So I look at this, and I'm going to say I'm going to multiply this one by 2, and this one by 3. So if I multiply the top one by 2, I get 10x minus 6y equals 42. I get 9x plus 6y equals 15. Add those together. You get 19x equals 57. And then 57 divided by 19, 3. So you get x equals 3. So I'm just going to pick one of the original equations, plug it in. So 9 plus 2y equals 5. So 2y equals negative 4. So y equals negative 2. So the solution to the system, 3, negative 2. Alright, let's take a look at a couple others now. So it just says solve the system. So when it says that, you pick which way. Well, I do elimination because I see if I multiply this by 2, I get 6x plus 4y equals 10. If I add these together, negative 6 plus 6 is 0, negative 4 plus 4 is 0, 10 plus 10 is 20. Is that a true statement? No, so that means no solution. Okay, so let's take a look at another one. Solve the system. Well, I see if I multiply this by 3, it'd match up the 9s. So I get 9x plus 18y equals negative 30. And this time I'd subtract. What's 9 minus 9? 0. 18 minus 18, 0. Negative 30 minus negative 30? 0. Is 0 equals 0? Then yeah. Excuse me. Then that means infinite number of solutions, because they're the same line. All right, guys, see you tomorrow.